If you're looking for a quick and easy way to import data into Apollo.io, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started importing your data efficiently. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or just need a refresher, this step-by-step process will have you up and running in no time. To begin with, you'll want to log into your Apollo.io account. If you don't have one yet, I've included a link below where you can access Apollo.io with an exclusive free trial, which will give you full access to the platform's capabilities. It's a great way to dive in and get a feel for the tool without any upfront cost. Now, let's talk about importing data. Apollo.io allows you to seamlessly integrate your contacts and other data into its platform. Whether you're transferring contact lists, CRM data, or lead information, the process is straightforward. You can start by navigating to the Data Import section within your account dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Data Import section, you'll be prompted to upload a CSV or Excel file. It's crucial to ensure your data is formatted correctly to prevent any issues during the import process. Apollo.io provides a sample template you can download to see the ideal format for your data. Make sure your file is clean, well organized, and that columns match the necessary fields. When you're ready, click on Upload File. You'll then be able to map your columns to the appropriate fields in Apollo.io. This means ensuring that your first name column matches Apollo's first name field, last name to last name, and so on. Apollo.io will make suggestions to map these fields, but double-checking can save you time later. After mapping the fields, you can choose additional options, such as whether or not you want to automatically assign tags to your contacts or sync them with your CRM. This is a great feature if you want to keep your lists organized and ensure seamless workflow integration. Now comes the final step. Once you've confirmed your file is mapped and the settings are correct, click on Import. Apollo.io will process your file and begin importing your data into the platform. Depending on the size of your file, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll receive a notification once the process is complete. Don't forget, if you're new to Apollo.io and looking for a comprehensive tool that allows you to handle leads, track sales, and access powerful data analytics, you can start using it for free from the first link in the description below, with exclusive bonuses available to you. This is a limited time offer, so take advantage of it while it lasts. Once the data is imported, you can start leveraging Apollo.io's robust suite of tools to segment, track, and engage your contacts. Apollo.io is designed to help marketers and sales teams streamline their workflows. And with this simple data import process, you'll be able to hit the ground running. By following these steps, you'll be able to import your data into Apollo.io quickly and easily, allowing you to focus on what really matters, driving results for your business. As a final reminder, be sure to check the first link below to take advantage of the exclusive free trial offer. It's the best way to dive deep into Apollo.io and see everything it can do for your business. And that's it. Thanks for watching.